Hello everyone, I'm very happy to see you again. In today's video, I will share how to crochet a Sakura coaster. This coaster not only helps protect the table surface, but is also a very cute decorative item for your workspace, tea table, or as a meaningful handmade gift. Now, let's get started together. First, I will use dark pink yarn to make the flower center. I will make a magic ring with 2 loops. Chain 4. These 4 chains will be counted as follows. The first 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. The last chain is the space between double crochets. Now I will mark the 3rd chain. Next, I will work 1 double crochet into the ring. Chain 1. 1 double crochet. Chain 1, chain 1. I will repeat 1 double crochet, 1 chain. Repeat 7 more times. You will have 10 double crochets in the ring. Then I will close the magic ring. Hold the yarn tail here and pull slightly. You will see a strand inside the ring. This strand is being tightened. Now I will grab that strand and pull it to tighten the remaining loop. This will close the ring completely. The ring is now closed. Now I hold the yarn tail and pull it all the way. The magic ring is fully closed. Slip stitch into the marked stitch to finish round 1. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now I will start making the petals. Tie a knot. Insert the hook into this space. Make a slip stitch. Chain 3. These 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. Continue with 1 more double crochet in the same space. Chain 3. Continue with 2 double crochets in the next space. This chain 3 space will form 1 petal. Continue with 2 double crochets in the next space. Chain 3. 2 double crochets in the next space. This will be the 2nd petal. Continue repeating this pattern around. When you reach this point, slip stitch into the 3rd chain that you made at the beginning. This chain here. Now chain 1. Insert the hook into the space between 2 clusters. This space between the 2 clusters on both sides. Work 1 single crochet. Place a marker in this stitch. Insert the hook into this space and work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, then chain 3. Turn and slip stitch into the same space. Chain 3. Work 3 double crochets. Continue by inserting the hook into the space between the next two clusters. This middle space here. Work 1 single crochet. The first petal is now complete. Repeat the same steps for the next petals. Next petal. 3 double crochets. Chain 3. Turn and slip stitch into the chain 3 space. 3 double crochets. One single crochet here. After finishing the last petal, slip stitch into the marked stitch to finish. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now I will crochet the leaves. Tie a knot. I will start in the middle space, between the two clusters here. Make a slip stitch. Chain 3. These 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. Continue with 3 more double crochets in this space. One, 2, 3. I will work 1 single crochet into this stitch, the 3rd stitch of the petal. 1 single crochet. Continue with chain 4. Here, at this point I will also work 1 single crochet into the position of the 3rd stitch of the petal. 1, 2, 3. 1 single crochet right here. So this means that I will work a single crochet into the 2 stitches on each side, and the stitch here, which is the chain 3, I will skip it. I will not crochet into this chain 3. I will crochet into the 3rd stitch on both sides of the petals. Next, I will repeat the same steps. Insert the hook into this space and work 4 double crochets. Continue. Work 1 single crochet into the 3rd stitch of the petal. Chain 4. Work 1 single crochet into the 3rd stitch. Now I will repeat the same steps until the end of the round. When you reach the last stitch here, slip stitch in the 3rd chain, made at the beginning, to finish the round. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now I will use white yarn to crochet the border. Tie a knot. I will start at the position where I just cut the yarn. In the green section, insert the hook here. Make a slip stitch. Chain 3. These 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. Continue by working 3 double crochets into the stitches below. Here there is a single crochet, so I will work 1 double crochet into it. When reaching the petal space, I will create a corner. I will work 3 double crochets. Then chain 3. Turn and insert the hook into this position. Make a slip stitch. This will create the pointed corner. Continue with 3 double crochets here. The first corner is complete. Continue. This stitch here will be 1 double crochet. Continue with 4 double crochets. Work 1 double crochet here. In this space, create the next corner with 3 double crochets. Chain 3. Slip stitch. 3 double crochets. Work the last stitch here. Slip stitch into the 3rd chain, made at the beginning to finish the round. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. If you find this video helpful and enjoy the content I share, please like, subscribe and share this video so I can have more motivation to create new patterns. Thank you so much for watching until the end.